Hi guys, I'm Itchya, makeup artist and esthetician, and today we're going to talk about the Mermaid Brush Set from Lurella Cosmetics. So this is how the brush set comes in. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 brushes, and it is very affordable. And let me show you why it's called the Mermaid Brush Set. And this is why it's called the Mermaid Brush Set. Do you see how cute that is? They have little mermaid fishy tails. So if you want, this kind of brush set is really good for beginners, and also if you want a very budget-friendly makeup brush set gift that you want to give someone, your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, anyone, this will be a perfect brush set for you. Now let me show you what we have in this brush set. The first one, oh, it's so cute. Okay, the first one is this powder brush. You can see it's fluffy. It has this gradient white to purple thing going on, which makes it look very pretty. If you are someone who likes to own pretty stuff and also wants quality product, this is a perfect brush set for you. Now moving on towards the other brush for the face. This one is another, it's almost like a powder brush, but because it's so compact and well put together, this can be used as a perfect foundation brush, like so. Now moving on to our highlighter brush. This is a fan highlighter brush. It's very easy to use, as you can see, and even though this does look like a mermaid at the bottom, it's still not heavy. You wouldn't, these are very light brushes, and since they're so light, they're very easy to blend and not very heavy on the hand, and that is why I love this brush set. Now moving on to the eye brushes, we have 4 eye brushes. Now let's start with the first one. The first one is this flat concealer brush. It's really good to shape your brows. Then we have this medium packer brush. It's really great if you just want to like dip into the eyeshadow and just apply it. And then for blending, we have this blending brush, which is like a medium to almost a larger blending brush, but it's more precise, so it'll kind of give you a really nice blend. And the last one from this brush set is this angled brush from Lurella Cosmetics from the Mermaid Brush Set. And you can see, since it's angled, this is really great if you want to create some foxy eye looks here or work in the crease or the inner corners of the eye. Alright everyone, that was the Mermaid Brush Set from Lurella Cosmetics. We have amazing brushes from Lurella. If you want to see more, if you want to check out more amazing brushes, definitely visit www.thebeautybarnepal.com.